Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your HoneyToon subscription. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you've probably been trying to cancel it inside of your account with no avail. That's because there is no cancel button inside your account. What we need to do is send a cancellation request via email. So head on over to honeytoon.com/contact us and you're going to come to a page like this. Now for here we want to go ahead and use this contact. So I want to go ahead and copy this contact and then open up a Gmail and then compose a new message or mail. So go ahead and click on mail, compose. Okay, so in the to, we want to put in contact@honeytoon.com. Now your subject needs to be something along the lines of request to cancel my HoneyToon subscription. Now in the body, you want to go ahead and say something along the lines of, hello HoneyToon support team, I'd like to cancel my active HoneyToon subscription effective immediately. Please confirm that my subscription has been cancelled and I will not be charged for future billing periods. Here are my account details. So you want to go ahead and put in your full name, your email link to your account, and also your username or account ID. And then from there, say thank you for your help. I look forward to receiving confirmation of the cancellation. Kind regards, your name, and then go ahead and click on send. And now give HoneyToon 24 to 48 hours to respond and to help you cancel your subscription.